Did you know your heart can struggle for years without sending a clear warning? Most people think heart problems come suddenly, but the truth is the signs are often quiet and easy to miss. Today, I'll share 5 silent signs your heart may be struggling and what you can do about them. This could help protect your life or someone you love. Sign number 1, constant tiredness. If you feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep, it's not always stress or age. Your heart may be working harder than it should, leaving less energy for the rest of your body. Many people ignore this and just push through, but listening early can make a big difference. Sign number 2, shortness of breath. If simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, or talking leave you breathless, your heart may not be pumping blood efficiently. This is one of the most common signs people brush off as being out of shape, but it deserves attention. Sign number 3, swelling in feet or ankles. When your heart struggles, fluid can build up in the lower parts of your body. Tight shoes, sock marks, or puffy ankles, especially at the end of the day, can be a quiet signal your heart needs help. Sign number 4, dizziness or lightheaded feelings. Feeling dizzy when standing up or moving quickly may mean your brain isn't getting enough blood flow. This can happen when the heart can't keep up with your body's needs. Sign number 5, chest discomfort that isn't sharp pain. Heart trouble doesn't always feel like dramatic chest pain. It can be pressure, tightness, burning, or a strange heavy feeling that comes and goes. Now here's the good news. Small daily habits can protect your heart. Move your body regularly, manage stress, sleep well, eat balanced meals, and don't ignore ongoing symptoms. Early action can prevent bigger problems later. The takeaway? Your heart whispers before it screams. Pay attention to the quiet signs, take care of your body, and don't delay getting help if something feels off. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more simple health tips that could change your life. Your heart works hard for you. Let's start working for it too.